Get back to work, you lazy fuckers. Sitting down.
It's lunchtime.
Don't give a shit. Get back to work, finish the job, and then go home, go eat. Fuckers. So we gotta do, you think my boss is like, oh, you know, it's lunchtime, guys. We have to stop and eat.
He
No.
does do that.
No, my boss doesn't.
He does.
Mijo, we plan this job out. Even when we get the food over there and they say, after everything is done, after the job is done, they say, let the boy eat.
Okay, don't talk. Don't say the bad word.
Yeah, but you don't have viewers. You don't have subscribers.
Well, at least I'm on YouTube filming.
She says she don't want to get demonetized.
Ew.
What?
It's soft, but that's good. Okay,
Dad, remember. Hey, Bryson.
Hey, Julie.
And then everybody started cracking up.
That's too much. Hi, Brax.
Stop visioning. Bro. Stop.
One of those.
This gum sucks.
What do you mean? It's good. Go. Dad, what are you gonna do?
I don't know.
Huh?
I don't know.